Hi, this is Jess of Spinning Shadows Fiber Arts. I'm here today to do a short video on spinning beehives in a singles yarn. Now, I just watched a video on this yesterday and I thought it was really cool. So I thought I'd share, and I'll try and link the video in the description. What I have here is a merino single that I've spun. You can see the end here. And I put a lot of twist into it. And here I have a length of another merino fiber. What I'm going to do is take this single and split it apart a little bit away from the end here. Let's see if I can get it. Here, split it apart. And there we go. Right there. Make a little hole in it. Perfect. I'm going to put the fluffy end through so that it's sticking out the other side. I'll try and smooth that down a bit. And now I'm going to twist this clockwise and let the twist from the single just wrap it around, just like so. And you see how it's wrapping it around the yarn there, the single. And then carefully push it up to create the hive. There we go. So I just started on this morning, so I don't quite have the technique down perfectly, but I thought it'd be cool to share. Let's see. There we go. And then just wrap it down till we get to the small point here. Alright, and what I like to do, and also it was shown in the video, it was done a lot neater than I do it, but just take the tail end here and make another split up close to the beehive here. Thin out this end. And let's see if I can get a little closer. There we go. And pinch it in. And see, it's wrapped around there. And I'll tuck it up, get the wheel going, and add in some more twist. And that locks it in place. And then I'll just keep spinning the single and do the same thing over, and that's how you can do a beehive yarn without using a core or a ply. So anyway, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and have a nice day.